Hi, I'm Miriam and welcome to Miriam's Manor. Thank you guys for joining us back again today. Today it is my son's turn. We are going to work on his village and get it all completed today. We're also going to be putting up his Christmas tree and getting his room all ready for Christmas. So, did you want to say hi?
Hi, I'm Dewan.
So one thing I just wanted to point out, my husband and I, when we work projects or we build something, we always sketch it out first before we actually create a build. And so last night, my son actually made a little blueprint for how he wants his village to look. And I just thought that it was so cute because you never know what your children are picking up from you just by watching you. And he did this all on his own and it was so super cute. So we are going to be following his blueprint today that he laid out. And he's gonna run the show. Again, I'm just here to hot glue and do the electrical side of things. And you'll get to watch him how he puts his village together.
So we got one down.
All right.
So we glued these roads down. They look like one big road now.
So we can make sure we fit that back there.
Let's see. Very good. My mansion. Okay. So let's put that right there. Next, we are going to do the restaurant. On my blueprint, it says it's supposed to go right here. Our next building, okay, is the church. Wells Fargo Bank, toy shop, Ace Hardware.
We live at Ace, don't we?
Yeah. So that it has room for Ace Hardware.
There you go.
There we go.
Okay, and you got your
Train station. Goes all the way back here. With my train too. Okay, so we're gonna put this big old chunk of snow all around here. All inside of the train tracks and the train. For the kids' play area. Yeah, this will be good enough. Now, the good part. Snow flurries! What are snow flurries are? Beautiful, ain't they? These were printed by Mom. So,
I don't think you need that thin one. I'll take that one.
so we got this and this. No, I got that wrong. This way. And then this.
I'm going to turn this light off first really quick while...
This one is the one that goes right here, right?
Yeah.
This hole is too big for the... Oh. There we go.
See?
That is definitely going to go right here. Let's start with this big one. That can go right here. No. Right here. You can never have too many trees. Like I told Aaliyah.
That's right.
Little bridge. soccer net made out of real string. They must have worked really hard to make that. Next, this kid. He's about to score the goal. He got the ball. He's coming, trying to stop him.
Who's goalie?
Goalie.
Yeah, you need a goalie.
Goalie is him. Because he looks like he's ready to block. And then her, she's on the bench. No, she's not on the bench. She's trying to come in and stop him too. Mom, Dad, little children, they're coming back from the toy shop too. They're coming right out of Ace Hardware. Front of the place. watching my video of how I put my village together and also how I put my tree together. God bless you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again.
Bye.
Bye.